Hey guys, good morning. Hope you're doing okay. And this session, I'm going to talk about news and how we don't trade news and how we check the news. There are two opportunities and two main points where you can check the news. You have the Forex Factory, where a lot of people use, but I don't like to use it. No, sorry, Forex Factory News. And you have the calendar you can press here, and you can see the news that's happening all over the world. So we don't want to know. This is what works for me. London session never, or not never, doesn't get affected by news. That's why I love the London session. I love the London session because it's not affected by news, because most of the news happened during the New York session, during these times right here. And this is the New York session, this is the London session, right? And the only thing that I've learned over the years that the London session only gets affected with the French PMI, and it usually happens at the end, at the last 2 weeks of the month. The French PMI, I can't find it right now, but look at the end of the week. French PMI, no, end of the month, I mean. PMI, it's not PMI. Yeah, the French PMI, I can't find it. This is for the, this is it, French PMI. This is the only thing that I found affected the London session. So during these time, we want to be cautious of our trades. We don't want to trade during the news. We don't want to trade during the before before news because news makes the market unpredictable. So